This is our testing battery case for fitment test. It's easy aluminium, so we can easily test the fitment of the battery case and how it will have needed distances between other parts inside of the vehicle. As you can see, it has an empty space from each side and doesn't have any movements, only very slight movements to forward. Next, we will install the real battery case that will go inside the vehicle and install the battery cells inside of it. This is our 12 kWh battery case that is a standard production line for smaller vehicles. Please be subscribed to follow the next episode of the assembly of Opel Tigra or Vauxhall Tigra twin top.